So I thought that this would be an interesting discussion. XRP investors, why you should own at least 1,000 XRP tokens if you care about your financial success. I thought that this was really actually a good baseline video and discussion point to make. And so here we go. So how many XRP do you own? Don't drop in the comments. You know that number. If you don't know, you need to go look. And I would add to that, find out how much you own, how many tokens you own, and what your cost base is. How much cost do you have in that? That's a number. And there's some merit in this discussion about 1,000 is a pretty good number to give you some pretty significant financial success down the road. Now, if you own more than 1,000, that's cool. If you own maybe 1,000, a little bit less than 1,000, here's a plan maybe for you to dollar cost average and pick up some more XRP for yourself, because we're actually going to go back in history here and we're going to look at some numbers that are crazy exponential. Now, do I think that XRP has the opportunity to do as big a numbers as it did in the past when it first came out? That's a bit of a stretch, but I think we still have in front of us in our XRP journey. I still think we have a 50x to go from where we're at right now with XRP trading at around $2.18 for it to go up dramatically. Remind you, back in November, in 84 days, we went up 473%. Okay. And by the way, if you want help making even more money, that's my software. They gave a buy and sell alert and would have made you 473%. Buy here, sell here, an alert comes in on your phone. And that's $2,000 bought here, sold here, would have made you just shy of $10,000 in profit. So the link's in the description below to my software, X1 Algo. Give it a look. Quarterly options, your cheapest. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. Links are in the description. If you're on YouTube, if you're on X, links below this video for you to check out. Okay, so let's take a look at these numbers real quickly. Keep this video as short as possible. Here we go. So this is coming from a Farina who had Ito Farina on XRP. He put out a tweet that said, holding at least 1,000 XRP tokens is non-negotiable for any investor who's interested in securing a financially successful future. And I tend to agree. Look, when I get friends and family that ask me what cryptos they should own, and I'm starting to get more and more of those questions, I always say Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. And it's really Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, right? So just saying. All right, so he is talking about, Farina is talking about XRP reaching that much coveted $20 price would only be the beginning. I agree. And that's essentially a 10x from where we're at right now, right? A 10x from there, which would be a good thing. Well, Austin, 10x is not a lot, and that's not enough for me. I'll take a 10x all day long. To 10x my money in a year, 2, 3, 4, 5, even in 5 years, for me to 10x my money, I'm going to remind you, in bonds, mutual funds, stocks, 10, 20% a year is the average, 10 or 20%. And 10x is a little bit more than that. Just saying. Okay. So back to this. So if it were to reach $20 and you had 1,000 XRP tokens, and let's say you bought them today, right? That would be worth $20,000, and that would be a profit of $17,610. $17,610. Can't talk today. A 736% move up. Now I'm going to remind you. Sorry, wrong screen. In 84 days, we went up 473%. Well, Austin, that was an anomaly. That was Trump getting elected. Yes, I know. I agree. That was Trump, but that doesn't mean that there is not a 700% move up for us in the future. Is it going to happen in 84 days? I can't tell you that. I don't have a crystal ball, right? I'm just simply saying this chart proves right there that it can happen. Okay, back to this. Again, 17,000 return on investment on a $2,000 investment, which right here was 20. Sorry, was 2,160 to buy. So if you buy 1,000 tokens today at today's prices, it's about $2,160 in cost. There you go. And then that would take you a profit of $17,600 plus. Not a bad day at the office. Even if that day at the office took you a year, 2, 3 years to get, if somebody walked up to you and said, give me $2,000 today, and in 5 years from now, I'm going to I'm going to bring you back $17,000. You'd be like, where do I sign up? And is this illegal? And you wouldn't be like, well, that's not enough. It's what I love when people kind of slam me in the comments like, well, 10X is not enough for me. I'm like, okay. Anyway. All right, moving on. So this is a crazy number. Look at this. So this was when XRP launched in January. No, the low, excuse me, where it from a low in January of 2017, not when it launched, my apologies, of 0.003, and it went to $3.30 by January of 2018. Well, then all of a sudden they got sued. I know, we know all this. Okay, I'm just look at the numbers. Isn't that crazy? That's where a $1,000 investment would have turned into 1.1 million within a year. Now, do I think putting $2,000 and it being worth $1 million in a year is going to happen? No, I don't think that's going to happen in our current landscape. And XRP is just simply too big now. This is when it came out, right? But do I think you can make $1 million with XRP? Yes. By the way, I did a video earlier today on that, and it will be probably linked at the end of this video. If not, it's on my channel here, so go check it out. And if you're watching this on my X account, it's going to be above or below, I guess it would be, in my feed on my X account. But look, that's crazy. So do I think that XRP has the opportunity to 10X, 20X, 50X from where it's at? Absolutely. Do I think it can go up from there? Absolutely. But guys, it will be a function of time. It will be a function of it's going to take time to do that. That's how you get rich in crypto. You have investment in it. I own XRP, and then it's a function of time for it to hit and go up in value, go up to $100 a token or whatever it may be. Well, that's pretty obvious, Austin. Yes, I know it's obvious. That's the point. That's how it really works. There's no secret ways out there that somebody hadn't told you about. Okay. That's how this game works. You have to have an investment in the asset, XRP, and then you have to have time invested, time for it to go up in value. Okay. Before I let you go, I told you about it. Give it a look. Try my software out. Look, buy, sell, $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of just shy of $10,000. There's a link down in the description below. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. This is how the smart money and the whales are making money. They know when to buy and they know when to sell. And that's what the software tells you to do. And it literally would cost you about $1.15 to $1.20 a day to use the software. So invest in yourself. You spend more than that on a cup of coffee or a Coke or a bag of chips. Is that making you any money on any given day? No. This could help you make more money in the stock market, which, by the way, right there, this is Tesla. Let me show you this. This is Tesla. See it upper left, Tesla, TSLA. Buy here, sell here. It's a buy alert, sell alert, 70 days, 86%. So $1,000 bought here, sold here of Tesla stock would have made you a profit of $868. But more importantly, look, the sell alert, and then don't take a 50% loss. Instead, put that whole $868 in your bank account, in your pocket, and don't take a 50% loss. And then boom, right there's another buy alert right there. You see it. Buy alert stepping in, going, and now it's the right time to buy. See? That's how it works. Software runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, runs on a computer, wherever you want it to run. And it gives you these little pop-up alerts, tells you when to buy and sell any cryptos you care about, just like XRP, Bitcoin, any stocks you care about. And you can use this anywhere in the world, and it'll help you make some money. And you got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Links from the description below. And if you're on X, links below this video. Later. I'll see you.